Nasaan ang aking pen? Ngayon, na-discuss na natin ang types. If I know correctly, if anong tanda ko, halos lahat ng course, lahat ng section ay dito kami sa types comedian. So for now, we're gonna continue to solution of an ordinary differential equation. And as usual, hindi natin gagamitin yung module. Hindi, nasa module naman din. Ayan, when you say solution of the differential equation, differential equation. Let's say meron tayong differential equation, dy over dx is equal to sine cosine x, cosine x. Yan yung differential equation natin. Ang goal natin is to integrate the equation. So this is your differential equation. Try natin integrate. dy is equal to cosine x dx, integrate, magiging y is equal to sine x plus c. Ngayon, this is what you call, where it hurts, baby. Di pala yung what you call, tell me where it is. So, this is what you call general solution. General solution. Okay? Ito naman yung ating tinatawag na differential equation. So when you say solution, general solution is the integration or the integral of your differential equation. Vice versa, differential equation is the differential of your general solution. Okay? Another definition. Your general solution should describe your differential, should satisfy your differential equation. Yun yung term, satisfy. So, pag dinifferentiate mo yung general solution mo at sinubstitute mo dun sa differential equation, it should satisfy your differential equation. It should satisfy. Yun yung term, satisfy. Okay. Satisfy. Vice versa, your differential equation, your differential equation describes the behavior of your general solution. Anong describe, sir? Paano behavior? Paano nagsasatisfy? So, punta muna tayo dun sa isa pang example. Y is equal to mx plus b. So, ano ba yung m? So, alam natin yung y, which is dependent variable. Yung x, independent variable. Yung m at saka si b, ano yung m at b? Ano yung m at b? How would you what should you call m at b in this equation? Ano kung may index card na kayo? Kapag-index card na tayo. Kunin ko lang yung index card. 02102. Bakit merong 021 DS? Huh? 2101. May index card na kayo sa akin? Ay, wala pa index card sa akin, no? Wala pa. Oh, sige na. Wala pa, sige na. Smudge. Sudge.
Big sad.
Okay, anyways. Hindi naman. Explain ko mamaya yung index card na. Explain ko next meeting. No? Index card na. Anyways, si M at B is what you call, well, actually, this time, it's parameters, no? Pero si C, no, di ba, ini-integrate natin yan, no? Pag na-integrate natin, naglalagay tayo ng C. Ngayon, si C, sa general solution, is what you call arbitrary constant. No? They are both constant, no? They are both constant, no? But in this case, ang description lang din naman ni constant na to is siya ay parameters. Binabago niya yung behavior. Okay? So, sa case na to, sa general solution, arbitrary constant ang tawag sa kanya. When you say arbitrary, hindi mo alam kung anong value. It could be any value. So, for example, your line. No, this is your general solution of the line. No, right? When you differentiate that, that will become dy over dx is equal to m. No. And when you say m, yung differential equation na to, pag mataas yung m mo, let's say yung m mo ay 90, di pa ganun, pataas. Pero pag ang m mo ay 0, no, if ang m mo ay 0, ang slope mo ay 0, di ang line mo ay paganyan, or paganyan, or paganyan na. Yeah. Kasi si m ay slope, and si dy over dx, the change of y with respect to x is also the slope, is equal to the slope. Okay? So, in that sense, it describe the behavior of your line. The slope describe the behavior of your linear line. No, y plus mx plus b. No. Okay? Ayun po yung sinasabing behavior describes the behavior of your general solution. Okay? Another thing, no, when it comes to the general solution differential equation, when it comes to the general solution, as a differential equation pala, when it comes to the differential equation, no, your general solution should be differentiated according to the order of your differential equation. Your differential equation should be integrated according to the order of your differential equation. Now, long story short, kung siya ay y triple prime is equal to x e to the x, na integrate mo siya ng isang beses. Tatlong beses. Kasi tatlo siya. Okay? Okay, so example tayo. Example na tayo para ma-gets natin. No?
Lalakad.
Okay. Actually, try natin sa libro. No. Try natin sa libro. No. Ano ba dito? Yan. No. So, yan, no. Solution. No. So, try natin yung exercise mo. Try natin itong number 19. Try natin yung number 19. Na. Try natin yung number 19. Na. 3 e to the, tandaan natin, 3 e to the negative 2 is 4 e to the x. Na. Y is equal to 3e to the negative 2x plus 4e to the x. Na. Tapos, exercise 5. No, y triple prime minus 3y prime plus 2y na. Double check baka sana ang given. Negative 3y, 2y na. Okay. Double check. Now, may mga instances na kinopya sa likod. Kinopya sa likod yung question kasi doon mag-scratch ay salang kopya. No? Negative 2x, 4, 3, 4. Negative 2x, 3. Ayan, okay. So, ang question is, verify whether the solution is a solution or the solution is a differential is for the differential equation. No? Kung siya ba ay solution para doon sa differential equation na yan. Kung magka-vice versa ba sila, kung magkapalit ba sila. No? Kung magka-partner. No? Yan. Okay, identify first your solution. This is your solution. No? This is your differential equation. No? Yan. Yun na yan. I-identify lang natin. Ngayon, hindi ko pa natuturuan mag-integrate ng differential equation, no? So, we could do this two ways. Pwede nating integrate ang differential equation to get your solution. Pwede nating i-differentiate yung solution. Pwede nating i-differentiate yung solution.
Thank you.
Yung solution, ay pwede natin i-differentiate yung solution, no, para maging or para ma-substitute sa differential equation, no. Okay po. Okay, anyways, differentiate tayo. Punta tayo sa differentiate, no. So, ito yung differential equation. Ano pong order ng ating differential equation, no? Ano pong order, no? So, tingnan po natin kung maganda ba ang sulat ni Sir, kung makikita nyo. Anong order ni? Ano pong order nyo? Miss Order, or Miss Order. Mr. Oriel Vince Di Mailig. Anong order ng differential equation natin? Oriel. First po, Bernalyn Umali. Ano pong order ng ating differential equation, no? Isusulat ko ng maayos kasi pangit ang sulat ni Sir. Bernalyn Umali, nandyan ka ba? Third po, Paulo Hernandez, ano pong order ng ating differential equation?
Third po, sir.
Third. No, so, majority win? No, so, tama. Hindi, joke. So, third po. No, third po. Hindi naman po majority win. Pero third order. No, so, denoted by y triple prime. No, so, when it comes to writing differential equation, di ko sure kung nabanggit ko sa inyo. No, pero babanggit ko na. Pwede natin siya isulat as f prime x. Since ito yung third order, so, pwede siyang f prime prime x. No, pwede siyang d derivative y with respect to derivative of x cubed, no? Pwede rin siyang differential operator cube y. Although itong form na to, I think hindi pa ito naituro sa integral, or this is new, which actually will be discussed in before 5 after midterm. Differential operator. So for now, yung function of x, yung y differential or y prime, then yung rate, no, change of rate ng y, third derivative with respect to derivative of x cubed. No, so pwede natin siya isulat in 4 different ways. No? Right? So anyways, na binabanggit ko lang. Tago lang natin, no? Ay, so next. Now we identified our differential equation and we know that it is third order. Ano ngayon? Wala. So third order siya. Nasaan na? Yeah. Ay, so third order siya. We must differentiate our generals or our solution 3 times. No? Differentiate natin 3 times. No? So next time, sa 2 hours natin, kayo naman ang mag-differentiate. Okay, so differentiate natin 2 times. No? Y prime is equal to negative 6 e to the negative 2x. No? Plus 4 e to the x. No? Y 2 times. No? Positive 12 e to the negative 2x plus 4 e to the x na. Y triple prime is equal to negative 24 e to the negative 2x plus 4 e to the x na. Yan. Okay, yun po, dinifferentiate natin. Ganda ng sulat, sir. Sir, paano po yun? Ba't po kayo nag-shortcut, no? So, pwede po natin isa-isahin kasi I think when it comes to differential and integral, there are steps that needs to be done. Now, for example, sir, ang differential po yung tamang steps ay ilalagay niyo muna po nito. Now, tapos differential of 3 to the negative 2x plus 4 e to the x. No? Then, magiging y, no? Prime, no? Or dy, no? dy is equal to the derivative of 3e to the negative 2x plus derivative of 4ex. Di ba? Distributed property of the differential. No? So y is equal to negative 2 multiplied to 3 e to the negative 2x, no? Plus 4 e to the x, no? Then dy to. Ito naman ay may dx na. Okay, so lalagyan ng dx. Divide both sides by dx para maging dy over dx is equal to negative 6 e to the negative 2x plus 4 e to the x na. Or equal din siya sa y prime. No, isa pa lang yan. Okay? So sa differential, pwede nyo gawin yun. If sanay kayo dyan, good, no? If sanay kayo dyan, good, no? If hindi kayo sanay, ay di gawin nyo lagi. Hindi, I mean, I suggest do not make shortcuts. No? Huwag ninyong shortcutin. Then again, if there are shortcuts, no, sa differential equation, no, just like, for example, when it comes to this equation, let's say 4x plus 8 is equal to 4. No? If you need to determine x, anong gagawin natin? Inilipat, di ba? 4x equals to, no, paano ililipat? Paano ita-transpose? Plus 8? No, sorry. Ang ginagawa natin nung high school or nung elementary or nung kinder. Assuming na nag-algebra kayo nung kinder, no? Yan, ganyan. Minus 8 both sides. Negative 8, 0, positive 8, 0. 4x is equal to negative 4. Divide both sides by 4, no? 4 over 4x equals negative 4 over 4, no? X is equal to negative 1. So, in a way, may mga steps tayong hindi na natin ginagawa, no? Pagdating ng college. Pagdating ng differential equation, there are steps na I suggest you do. No? Pero, make sure na tama. No? Okay? Anyway, yan po yung ating differential. Yun, nakuha. Na-gets naman yung differential kung ano nangyari. Diba pag nagdi-differentiate ng e to the x or e to the variable or yung Euler's number is walang magbabago. Ibababa mo lang yung constant. No? Differential of EAX is e to the ax, no? dx. Okay? Intindihan? Okay naman? Any questions? May malabo?
Wala po.
Wala. Okay, thank you. So, yeah. So, I think pag may question naman sige. Continue lang ako. Ngayon, that is your differential equation. Not yet. No. So, in order to know if your solution is your differential equation, substitute the value to your differential equation. No? So, ito ay y triple prime. Substitute natin dito. Na substitute natin tong y double prime dito. Itong hindi y double prime, y prime, no. Y prime dito. Dito. Isa-substitute natin. Okay? So, huwag niyo pong sa exam, pag nagsasagot kayo, huwag niyo ilalagay na. Huwag niyo ilalagay ng ano. Pinapakita ko lang para, kasi hindi ko may ituro sa board. No, sa online, hindi ko may ituro. No? So, yan. Hindi niyo makikita ko na ituro. Okay. Anyways, substitute na natin. So, itong y triple prime, ito daw na. Ayun muna, no? Ano ba yung y triple prime? Negative 24. Ito the negative 2x plus 4 ito the x. Ang y prime Yung y prime ay nakamultiply sa negative 3. So, negative 3, negative 6, e to the negative 2x plus 4 e to the x na. Ayan. Pero nakamultiply siya sa negative 3. Na. Then yung y ay nakamultiply sa positive 2. Na. So, 3 e to the negative 2x plus 4 e to the x na. Ganda ng sulat, sir. Magkamukha ba ang 4 at saka 9? No. Minsan ay ganun. May nakita na ako magkamukha ang 4 at 9 ay nagkamali siya. So, yan. Gaganda ng sulat. Okay. Anyways, and equal siya sa 0. No, ayan, equal siya sa 0. No. Okay. Pag simplify na natin, no, evaluate, no, negative 24, no, negative 24 plus 18 plus 6, no, is 24 minus 24, no, e to the negative 2x, no. Positive 4 minus 12, no, positive 8, no. So 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 minus 12 is 0. So therefore, 0, e to the negative 2x plus 0 e to the x is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, I shall conclude that the conclusion is the final answer. So therefore, the solution is a solution of your differential equation. So yan po ang isasagot natin. Sasagutin niyo yung question. Huwag niyo basta chechikan, ay, 0, 0. Kung anong tanong, ay di yun ang isasagot niyo. No? Sabi sa Miss Universe is, do you believe in, ano nga yun? Basta, tanong, minsan kasi ang sagot ng mga babae sa mga Miss Universe, hindi nila sinasagot. They're just being vague at saka family reasons. Usually, from family. So, minsan yung answer nila is more on to have an inspirational answer rather than to answer the question. No? Yun usually yung mga answer. Okay. Anyways. So, make sure na kung ano yung tanong, ayun yung isasagot. Which is ang question is, verify whether the solution is a solution for the DE. So, ibig sabihin ng tatlong dot is therefore. Or, the solution is a solution. Isa pa. Okay naman, may question? I'm assuming na wala. So, chat lang kayo kung may question, taas ng kamay, or something. Gamitin natin yung module. No? Kasi, ang alam ko hindi ko pa na-send sa inyo. No? Pero ang alam ko may sinend na akong video. Okay, gamitin natin yun. So, how about retry? Try natin ito. Try natin itong isa. Ayan, example number 1. Pwede ba ito? Ano pa? Tapos. Okay? Tapos, pwede ba yun? Tapos, pwede ba ako maglagay ng import photo. Pwede na pala ko ito na. May natutunan ako kaya. So, verify if 1 over 16 x to the 4th is a solution of your dy dx xy 1/2 on the interval of negative infinity going to infinity. No, so, sulat muna natin. No? So, this is your solution. No? This is your differential equation. No? Okay. Okay, may sinabi ring interval. Banggitin natin yun mamaya. Okay, so una muna, again, by definition, when you integrate your differential equation, it should it should describe your solution or your solution niya. When you differentiate your solution, no, the differential equation should remain true, no, should remain true, and it should show your differential equation, no. Okay? So, pwede natin gawin muna yung differential. No? Pero dito sa case na to, pwede natin siyang integrate. No? Kasi first order lang siya. Pwede natin siyang isolve initially yung mga topics natin after before midterm. No? Differentiate muna natin. No? Differentiate muna natin. So, ito yung solution. Differentiate muna natin. Ilang beses i-differentiate? Mr. Hindi, miss na lang muna. Miss na lang. Miss. Parente. Lorigan. Ilang beses natin i-differentiate ang ating solution? Once po. Thank you. Tama. Now, once natin differentiate natin ng isang beses, no? dy is equal to 4x cubed over 16. No? dx pala. No? So, dy is equal, dy over dx, no? Divide both sides by dx, no? Is equal to x cubed over 4. So, yun po yung ating differential. Now, we can substitute it to your differential. No, substitute natin dito. So, pwede siyang maging, since ito ay ito. No? So, substitute natin magiging x cubed over 4 is equal to x. Ano ang y? Ito yung y. Oh. Bakit nga ba? Y eh. So, 1 over 16, x to the 4th, substitute lang natin. Na. At again po, sinubstitute natin. Na. Ito ay ito. Kasi sinubstitute dito, ito. Na. Sinubstitute lang natin sa ating differential equation. Okay? Now, we simplify or evaluate whether it is true. X cubed over 4 is equal to x multiplied to distributive property of exponent or the power. So, magiging ano siya? 1 over 16 square root or 1/2, which is 1/4. 1/4. Then the square root of x fourth, di ba, is x squared. So, x cubed over 4 is equal to x squared over 4 or x cubed over 4. So, therefore, I shall conclude that the conclusion is the introduction of the chapter methodology. Therefore, the solution is a solution of your differential equation. Okay, that's one way. We could integrate. So, pwede natin integrate. Okay, so pwedeng screenshot. Sabihin sa akin kung ini-screenshot nyo, kinakopya nyo, so, pero magulo po kasi ito. Ganito. Puro may wala kaya hindi ko ito sinesin sa mga bata. Inyo. Pwedeng screenshot. Okay, so dinifferentiate natin. So sabi niyo po, pwede niyo po nating integrate. Okay, pwede naman. Since siya first order, pwede natin siyang i-integrate now. So let's say, ang strategy natin is integrating. Okay, so dy over dx is equal to xy1. Now, this is, siguro ay next week pa natin pag-uusapan. This is what you call separable equation. dy over y 1/2 is equal to x dx. Now, pinagsama ko lang yung x at y. Now, we can integrate. We cannot integrate two different variables integrate. So, because they are separated, they are separable equation, no? So, pwede na natin siya integrate, no? Y, 1/2 negative dy is equal to x dx na integrate na. So, siya ay magiging y 1/2 kasi madadagdag ng 1 divided by 1/2 is equal to x square over 2 plus c. So, this is now what you call general solution. No, general solution po tawag diyan kasi pag sinabi mong general, no, mas mataas siya sa major yata, di ko sure. Medyo. Kasi ang general, yung generalize, no, hindi natin alam po anong specific value ng tinatawag nating arbitrary constant. No, ito yung arbitrary constant, no. Yung C. No, hindi natin alam ang value ng C. No, arbitrary constant, no. So this is what we would call our general solution. Now, when you say you have an interval, no, so meron tayong value ng interval. You have your interval, we can get the solution of the y equals 1 over 16x to the 4th. And when we have what you call values, since interval yung bigay sa atin, so pwede natin sabihin ito yung ating interval solution, no? Yeah. So, again, para siguro ina-explain ko is yung solution is a group of equation, no? Ano bang sinabi mo group of equations, sir? Eh, di ba pag sinabi natin arbitrary constant, hindi natin alam ang value. So, yung C, pwedeng 1, pwedeng 2, pwedeng 3, pwedeng 4, pwedeng 4.5, pwedeng 6. Hindi mo alam eh. So, y 1/2 over 1/2 is equal to x square over 2 plus 2 is a solution. No, solution ang tawag dyan. Y 1/2 over 1/2 is equal to x square over 2 plus 4. Solution pa rin ang tawag dyan, no? Ngayon, to a specific value, and you can call that particular solution, no? Particular solution, no? So, punta muna tayo sa intervals. Interval solution are solutions that you get when you have a certain interval. Gagamitin mo yung interval. Eh, di ba saan mo ginagamit yung interval? Yung pag nag-integrate tayo. So, if this is your general solution, so ito ay negative infinity, positive infinity na. Yeah, yun yung interval natin. So, isa-substitute natin. Ngayon, bago natin substitute kasi, kumbaga, mahirap. O, kumbaga, pangit man tingnan. Na. Multiply both sides ko sa 1/2 na para maging y 1/2 equals x square over 4 plus c over 2. Na. Then, square both sides. In-square ko both sides. So, square both sides. Na, so, para maging y is equal to x square plus c over 2c over 4 square. Na. So, yan yung square ng both sides. Na. Okay? Expand ko pa. Sige, expand ko pa. Kasi, syempre, ano tayo? Nasa na tayo? 18. So, y na is equal to x square, x to the 4th, no, x to the 4th over 4, na, plus 2x square c over 4 plus 4c square over well, actually it's not 4 na, no, 16 na, no, 16 na. Yan. Okay. Ayan yun yung square natin. No? So nakikita na natin yung ating solution, which is ito. Now, here's the thing. No, here's the thing. We have an interval, negative infinity to positive infinity. Meaning, if we substitute that value, yung ano natin, no? So, upper limit minus lower limit, no? So negative, infinity, and infinity to the fourth, no? Pares lang naman yun. No? Infinity square, pares lang din naman yun. C plus 4C square over 16. Oops, sorry. Ano kaya? Ano ha? Sumisikip kasi tayo. So, I think... Hindi kaya pala kayo pa to. Igawa na lang muna ako ng isa pa. Yan. So, sinubstitute natin. No? So, y is equal to the infinity, negative infinity over 16 to the fourth plus 2 infinity c over 16 plus 4c square over 16 na. Ito yung upper limit, no? Lower limit naman is positive infinity to the fourth over 16 plus infinity. So, isusulat ka na lang muna. Kasi nakakapagod, palit ulit, no? C square over 16. Negative. Negative na. Negative na. So, kung ano natin, no? Ay, sorry. Ay, so, kung titingnan natin, ito negative infinity, ito negative infinity. Square, negative infinity, ito negative. So, long story short, mag-a-add lang din sila, no? So, hindi siya magka-cancel out. So, ito ay magiging infinity. Sulat. Infinity yung ating value, no? And yung C natin, no, so yung C na makukuha natin, so ito magka-cancel, pero ito hindi magka-cancel, di ba? So ito to the fourth, ito naman ay square, no, C, no. Yung mga numero, kahit anong gawin natin, since infinity siya, sobrang laki ng number. Ano pang isipin ko? No, mali na, ano na siya? Ito ay positive, no? Ito ay negative. Wait lang. Ito ay positive, no? Ito ay positive. So, positive siya. Ito ay negative din. Okay. So, magka-cancel lang din siya. Magka-cancel lang din siya. Wait. Double check lang natin. Ayusin natin. So, negative to the fourth, no? So, ibig sabihin magiging positive din siya. So, 2 negative infinity. So, yung interval na, actually ito na pala to, no? Hindi na natin nalagay. So, y is equal to, hindi, yung kahit upper limit lang. So, ito ay malaki, long story short, infinity pa rin to. Dito ay infinity multiplied to c. Ito ay 4c square. No? So, yung ano natin, upper limit pa lang, nakita natin na siya ay infinity na. Yung value ng c could range to from positive to negative, no? Malaki. While, let's say, yung lower limit naman, minus, no? Minus, positive infinity naman din yun. Minus, no? Infinity plus 4c square over 16. No? So, malaki din on the lower limit, no? Yung value ng c is pwede pa rin magbago, pero pwedeng lumaki, pwedeng sobrang laki, pwedeng sobrang liit, na kasi negative infinity and positive infinity. Okay, so when it comes to that, your value of c, pag sinulat natin yan, x to the fourth plus 16, because c can vary from positive to negative infinity, yung x square c over 16 at saka yung 4c square over 16, pwede natin siyang pwedeng isinalak. No? Yun. In that way, itong solution na to is a solution, no, of your differential equation. No? Differential equation. No? Ito. Which is, yun yung nasa question natin. No? Ayun. No? Yung lahat ng may C kasi, sobrang laki or sobrang liit ng value, ay hindi na natin, kumbaga ay hindi natin sure kung anong number, kung anong value niya. Pero sa interval niya ng negative infinity at saka positive infinity, solution siya. Na, solution siya. Sir, ano pong gagawin? Integrate or differentiate? For this topic, differentiate muna. Kasi baka mamaya, for this topic, differentiate, hindi nyo na mag-integrate. Na? Kasi nga, for example, this one, 53 minutes, kaya pa yan. Sige, try natin yung isa. Last one. Last na ba to? O, 1, hindi pa. Meron pa ako isa. Try natin tong huli. No? Ayan na. Ang ginawa dito ay sinubstitute. No? Sinubstitute nila. Dinifferentiate din. Sinubstitute. Which hindi naman ang gagawin niya. Try natin.
Emergent po in the sense dito sa atin. Lalabas po talaga sila.
Ito na. So, y, ako na yung gagawa since 5 minutes na lang na. X e to the x, na. Y double prime minus 2y prime plus y is equal to 0. Na. Ito yung differential equation. Ito yung solution lang, na, kasi wala siya constant. Differentiate lang natin ng dalawang beses, no? Y, X, ganda ng sulat, sir. Kasi kahit mabilis, kailangan maganda sulat para maintindihan. X e to the X, no? Zoom in ko na lang para, Ngayon, differentiate natin, magiging Y prime yan. Pwedeng gumamit ng partial integration by parts. Partial integration by parts, no? Yung derivative of UB is equal to VDU, UDB, ubudubu, tawag namin. Ubudubu, no? So, pwedeng X e to the X plus e to the X na. Yan. Or kung, ang sabi ko sa mga section, pwede nyo gawin step by step. So, ano bang tamang process na? So, let X be U, no? Yung U at saka V, ayusin kasi minsan yung U ay mukhang V. No? Diba ito U tapos ito yung B. No? Minsan yung U at V ay halos magkaparehas, no? So, ang ginagawa ko, let W is equal to X, no? dW is equal to dx, no? Tapos, V is equal to e to the x, no? dV is equal to e to the x dx, no? So, para derivative of y is equal to the derivative of x e to the x, no? No, or pwede wag na kayong mag-let, no? Pwede na lang x d derivative of e to the x plus e to the x derivative of x na. Sige, ganyan yan. Ganda ng x na, sir. Okay, or pwede ay x e to the x na. Diretso na. X plus e to the x na. Yan, na. Y prime. No, 5% na lang. X ko na. Okay, then y double prime, di isa pa. Na, ito yung tip. Na, ito yung tip natin. Just the, okay, anyways, x to the x, kung dinifferentiate natin yan, kung dinifferentiate natin yan, ito, ang y prime ay ito na rin, no? As a whole, no? So, sige, kaya ko lang ito pag y double prime. X e to the x plus e to the x plus e to the x, no? So, ang y double prime ay x e to the x plus 2 e to the x, no? Yan. Yan yung y double prime. Ito yung y prime, ito yung y double prime, no? Yun nga eh. Kaya nga, ay din sinabi ko rin na may mga shortcuts tayong gagawin. Kasi, imagine kung mag-integration by parts ka, let's say, mag-integration by parts or partial integration, ilang beses, 2 beses, 3 beses, maglelet kayo ng ganun, marami kayong isusulat. So, merong equation na 2 beses kayo nag-partial integration, tapos nagkaroon pa ng fraction or partial fraction. May mga ganong cases. So, need ng space, need ng oras. If you must, gawin nyo kung kaya, kung gusto nyo i-shortcut. No? Pero then again, huwag i-shortcut kung hindi sigurado. Mas sure, suggest ko lagi is isulat nyo lahat kasi baka mamaya mali naman. No? Baka mali ang gawa. So, ito yung y double prime, ito yung y prime. Suggest lang natin. No? Substitute lang natin. No? No? Ay, substitute lang natin na. So, yung y double prime, no, x e to the x plus 2 e to the x, no. Yung negative 2y prime, no, negative 2, multiply natin, tapos multiply natin sa y prime. X e to the x plus e to the x, no. Then, positive y, no, plus x e to the x, no. So, equals 0, no. 1 minus 2 plus 1, na x e to the x, no. Plus 2 minus 2 e to the x. Na, yan yung ating equation. So, siya ay 0, 0. Na, so meaning your equation is therefore the solution is a solution of your differential equation. Na, ay, time is 2 o'clock. May question. Sakto lang. Time. Yung nanalo. Unang bana. Sakto lang. 2 o'clock. Any question po? So, with that, siguro by Friday, pwede nyo kulitin bukas, siguro around bukas, pwede nyo kulitin kung gusto nyo. I should be uploading an activity. No, I should be uploading an activity, exercise, or problem set at saka itong lesson natin. I should be. Pwede nyo ako ulitin. Usually, Sabado at Linggo po ako nag-upload ng mga lesson natin. With that. Ay? Pwede nyo ulitin bukas, pero kung halimbawa ako ay di baka Sabado Linggo ako mag-upload. Kung wala pong question, yes. No, please. Ohayou gozaimasu. Tadaima.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po.